Former President Donald Trump has been found guilty of 34 counts of falsifying business records in relation to a $130,000 payment to adult film star Stormy Daniels. This conviction raises many questions, especially regarding the Secret Service's role in protecting a former president, even if he ends up in prison. The charges stem from payments made during the 2016 presidential election to keep Daniels silent about an alleged affair, which Trump denies. These payments were made by his attorney, Michael Cohen, and subsequently reimbursed through various false business records. Prosecutors argued that these records were altered with fraudulent intent, making them felonies. Despite the conviction, Trump's Secret Service protection remains unaffected. However, Democrats have proposed a bill that could strip Trump's protection if he is sentenced to prison. The bill aims to avoid logistical issues within the prison system by removing conflicting lines of authority with Secret Service agents. Trump's sentencing is scheduled for July 11th, just days before the Republican National Convention. While the maximum penalty could be up to 4 years in prison, legal experts predict a much lighter sentence, potentially involving probation or home confinement. The case is unprecedented, and the judge, Juan Merchan, has broad discretion in deciding the sentence. Regardless of the outcome, Trump's campaign remains defiant and energized. Campaign spokesperson Karoline Leavitt declared that the trial had only made Trump stronger, boosting his media coverage and lead over President Biden in the polls. The campaign warns Biden to buckle up as Trump is back on the campaign trail. If sentenced, Trump plans to appeal the conviction, which could delay any final resolution for months or even years. Trump's defense argued that the payments to Cohen were for legal services, not hush money, and that any business record changes were minor. However, the jury sided with the prosecutors, finding Trump guilty on all counts. This entire situation has put the justice system in an awkward spot. Sentencing a former president and current Republican nominee to prison poses significant logistical and political challenges. Some experts suggest that an alternative solution, such as a conditional discharge or community service, might be more appropriate. Trump's legal troubles have become a major focal point for both supporters and critics. Supporters rally around him, viewing the trial as a political witch hunt, while critics argue it showcases his disregard for the law. Regardless of public opinion, the legal process continues to unfold, keeping the nation on the edge of its seat.